Enter Bollywood. सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in।
आई हेट लव स्टोरीज में जिस राज पर है सिमरन फिदा, वो आज हमारे साथ निकल पड़े हैं ऑन अ डेट विद जूम। इतना ही नहीं, बॉलीवुड्स करंट हार्टथ्रॉब इज आल्सो गिविंग लव टिप्स ऑन दिस डेट।
हाय नमस्ते, मैं हूं समीर दत्तानी और आज यू आर विद मी ऑन अ डेट विद जूम। यू नो, लव इज इन द एयर। हमारी फिल्म आई हेट लव स्टोरीज रिलीज हो रही है एंड मैंने सोचा लेट्स टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू टीच यू अ फ्यू थिंग्स अबाउट शॉपिंग फॉर योर लेडी लव। So one thing you can't go wrong with is perfumes. I think that's something everyone likes to smell good. So I think perfumes is something you can't go wrong with. As you can see, बहुत सारे options हैं. You should really know what your girl likes. आपकी choice भी matter करती है, लेकिन what your girl likes is really really important. I think I like the Parisian. The YSL Parisian is my personal favorite right now. Perfume हो गया. I think you need to accessorize your perfume, your scent with the right kind of accessories. So as you can see, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे options हैं. Women love this. You can't go wrong with jewelry. You know. They just love it. So you have earrings, you have necklaces. You can go for something colorful and funky to just lighten up your rainy season today. There are these kind of necklaces which look very very interesting. They're very colorful. So as you can see, there's lots of things. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप उनकी choice अच्छी तरह जाने, उनके color choices, whether she likes tops, whether she likes it very low, or she likes it very short. You may like it short, but she may not be comfortable wearing it. So you have to be very careful what you get her. Their denims, their tops, their kurtis, their tunics, I don't know यार, इनके नाम भी इतने complicated होते हैं. हमारे लिए तो simple होता है यार, एक shirt ले लो, एक t-shirt खरीद लो. At the most, और कम कपड़े पहने तो एक vest खरीद लो यार. Just go bare body like Salman and John. But for women, it just goes on and on and on. So always know what she likes, what she prefers. अगर कहीं कुछ creativity या personal touch अगर आप add कर सको तो आपको ज़रूर और points मिलेंगे बॉस. And remember, girls are always rating us on 1 to 10. हमेशा हमारे exam चल रही है, यही समझ लो आप. I think what is life without love? So though we all may hate love stories sometimes, but we can't live without love, right? So I think the same applies for me. I've had my phases of loving love stories and hating love stories. Luckily, I'm in a phase where I love love stories right now. And even in the film, I play someone who enjoys, who loves, who believes in love. My character in I Hate Love Stories really believes in love, Raj. And he does anything to win his lady love. He goes down on his knees, he proposes to her, wine, flowers, rings, the works. So if you कुछ और tips देखना चाहते हो, how to win over your girl in style, you must go out there and watch I Hate Love Stories and see what Raj does to win over his girl. So I'm just hoping some of these tips really help you to go out there and win over that girl you love.